Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel, guys. You're here live with TJ. Today I'm going to be making some jerk chicken with some peri peri fries. If you guys have a passion for food and you want to try out some nice easy recipes, then please subscribe and turn on the notifications bell. Hey guys, I'm going to be making some jerk chicken with some peri peri chips. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. You can find the list of the ingredients in the description box. By putting in a bit of olive oil. So just put a little bit of olive oil in, should be enough. Now 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. And a little bit of lemon dressing. Now I'm going to add in some jerk barbecue sauce. And a little bit of Sriracha sauce, just sprinkle a bit on. And I add in a bit of jerk seasoning, Jamaican jerk seasoning. Now a hint of chili powder. The thinly cut chilies. And lastly a hint of salt. Okay guys, now it's just time to mix it. Start on the chicken. I'm going to slice it. I'll slice it in the middle. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, all the chicken legs have been sliced now. Put 4 slices in each of the chicken leg. Just now it's time to marinate it. The chicken into this big bowl here. Now that it's all added in, all we need to do is put in the marination. Ensure that the chicken's covered completely, well covered, the marination. Now that it's been coated well, guys, as you can see, we just need to add on cling film to the top and leave it to a side for a couple of hours so the marination settles in. Adding some oil into the steam roaster. Like so. Alright guys, now it's time to put in the chicken. So this chicken now needs to be inserted into this roaster. So that's one chicken here. Second pot of chicken there. Okay, now that it's been put into the roaster, I'm going to place the lid on and I'm going to leave it for an hour because the chicken's going to cook slowly. Heat up some oil for the fries. This one. Add in some fries. Alright guys, so now that the first portion of chips have been made, I need to add the chips into a pot and add in some peri peri seasoning along with some chili powder. Place the lid on top of the pot and then give it a mix until it's well coated. After mixing the peri peri seasoning and the chili powder in a separate pot, you see the fries turn out like that. So that's your peri peri chips done. I'm gonna also include another portion of fries, but I'm gonna keep them plain, as you can see. Now it's time to add in the jerk chicken. So after an hour and a half in the roaster, it should turn out like this. And decorate as you wish. You can see a massive chunk of chicken that's come off. I was just checking to see if it's cooked well, and it seems it is. So now I'm just gonna garnish it with freshly cut coriander and add in 2 slices of lemon. There you have it, guys. Jerk chicken with some peri peri fries. How delicious does that look? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on my channel logo to the top left to subscribe. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.